Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Isna Imroatun Hasanah, kelas KPT 2 NIM 195100004. Di sini saya akan memenuhi tugas bahasa Inggris yaitu reading and speaking. Timeline milestone in the Yen's history. Reuters. The group of seven warned on Monday the Yen's will swing threaten financial stability. Funding speculation. Central bank may intervene to halt a rally in the currency driven by a Japanese exodus from emerging market. The yen was the only currency mentioned in a brief G7 statement as it rallied to 13-year high against the dollar, threatening Japanese export as the world's second-largest economy tumbles toward recession amid the worst global financial crisis in 80 years. Here's some milestones in the yen history. 1871, the yen became Japan's currency as part of the Meiji Restoration, which marked the start of Japan modernization and opening to the rest of the world. Japan adopted the gold standard. 1949, after World War II, the dollar fixed rate is set at 360 yen via the Bretton Woods system, partly to help stabilize price in the Japanese economy. 1959, the dollar or yen exchange rate is liberalized and the margin of fluctuation is set at 0.5% on either side of its dollar parity. 1963, the margin of fluctuation is waned to 0.75%. 1971, United States abandons gold standard, bringing an end to the Bretton Woods system of fixed exchange rates and forcing a realignment of world currencies. December 1971, under the Smithsonian Agreement, the dollar or yen exchange rate is set at 308 yen and is allowed to fluctuate in a wider band between 301.07 yen and 314.93 yen. 1973, Japanese monetary authorities declared to let the yen float freely against the dollar, and the yen appreciated as far as 263 to the dollar. 1978, the yen passes through 200 to the dollar for the first time, strengthening as far as 177. 1980 to 1985, the yen's appreciation held and partially reverses despite Japan's big trade surplus, high interest rate in the United States from Japanese investors to put money in dollar assets. 1985, the group of five industrial nations, the predecessor to the G7, signed the Plaza Accord, in which they agreed the dollar is overvalued and to weaken it. The yen climbs from its pre-accord level of around 240 to 211 in October and 200 in November, a 20% rise in just a few months. 1986, the U.S. currency falls further to around 190 yen in January, 167 yen in April, and 153 yen in August. 1984, in February, 6 of the G7 nations signed the Larva Accords, which aim to stabilize currency and halt the dollar protectionism. The dollar still falls from near 153 to 137 in April and 120.80 by the end of the year. 1988, 1 January, for the dollar falls to a post-war low of 120.45 yen in Tokyo trade, a level that holds as the low for more than 5 years. The Bank of Japan intervenes to buy dollars and sell yen that day on behalf of the Ministry of Finance. August 17, 1993, the dollar declines to a new post-war low of 100.40 yen in Tokyo. June 21st, 1994, the dollar falls through the K100 yen level and touched a record post-war low of 99.85 yen in New York trade before finishing at 100.30 yen. April 19, 1995, the dollar hits a record post-war low at 79.75 yen after US-Japanese trade friction sparked heavy selling. By the end of the year, it is near 103.40. June 70, 1998, as the dollar shot above 144 yen, US authorities joined the Bank of Japan to buy yen, spending $833 million. By August, the dollar is to near 148 yen, partly due to yen carry trade in which investors borrow yen fund at Japan's near zero interest rate to buy high yielding currencies. 1998, after the global financial markets strains from the near collapse of hedge fund long-term capital management, carry trades are unwound quickly. In 1 week alone, in October, the dollar tumbles from near 136 yen to a low around 111.50 yen. 1999, the yen strength has further despite repeated intervention, reaching 102 in November 2001, following the September 11 attacks. Bank of Japan intervenes to sell yen for dollars. 2003, the move began massive intervention to halt the yen rise against the dollar, partly to shield Japanese export as the economy remains stuck in its post-bubble slump and deflation. The move spent 20.4 trillion yen 200 billion US dollar over the year, nearly all of it by dollar and yen. 2004, the move spent 14.8 trillion yen, 145 billion US dollar. Intervening in the first quarter of the year, including 1.67 trillion yen buying dollar on January 9 alone, but the move cases intervention in March and has never since resumed. 2005, the yen reaches a height of 101.67 yen in January, but then start to fall, hitting 121.40 in December. Yen carry trades and Japanese investors shifting funds into foreign assets drive the slide. June 2007, the dollar hits a 4.5-year high of 124.14 yen. July 2007, the yen's broad depreciation takes it to a 22-year low and a real effective exchange rate basis. Since January 2005, the yen has lost 25% of its value on a real basis. August 2007, strain in financial market from the U.S. subprime mortgage crisis sparked an unwind of yen carry trades. The dollar falls from near 120 yen to 111.60 yen. The high yielding Australian and New Zealand dollars tumble nearly 10%. March 13, 2008, the yen hits an 12-year high of 99.77. October 24, 208, yen hits 13-year high of 90.87 versus the dollar, while setting an all-time high against in the Australian dollar of 55.11, with the Aussie losing almost a third of its value in just a month on a massive unwind of carry trades. October 27, 2008, the yen soared to 13 years high, prompts the G7 to issue statement to single out the yen in warning on currency market volatility. The yen has soared nearly 20% so far in October on a trade-weighted basis, more than twice as big as any month going back to 1970, include the carry trade collapse in October 1998 and the Plaza Accord weakened the dollar in 1995. Sekian dari saya, mohon maaf jika ada pengucapan saya yang kurang tepat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.